Our flight time to DFW will be 2 hours and 14 minutes at an altitude of 36,000 feet. Current weather conditions in the Dallas area, partly cloudy, temperature of 89 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 32 degrees Celsius. At this time, I need your attention directed to the flight attendants in the cabin for a brief safety demonstration of our Airbus 321 aircraft. Your attention, please.